Okay, so today we are going to learn how to make this super easy key fob. What you will need is some webbing. This is 1-inch webbing. And just to kind of make it a little decorative, we're going to stitch down some twill tape on top of it. You're going to need the key fob pieces. You're going to need a pair of flat pliers to close your key fob, and then a piece of fabric to go over the key fob so that the pliers don't damage it. So first I'm going to start by just top stitching down the sides of the twill tape onto the webbing. Okay, so I've got my twill tape stitched down, and now I'm just going to choose a decorative stitch on my machine, and I'm going to go down the center just to add some interest. Okay, so now I have stitched some really cute little stars down my webbing, and I'm going to install the key fob now. So I'm going to trim those threads first. Okay, so I've trimmed off my edge. I am going to put it in the key fob here. So as you can see, I'm just putting it, centering it and putting it all the way in. And now we need to close up that key fob. So to do that, you're going to put some fabric over top so that the pliers don't damage it. And you're going to, on one side, push down with your pliers, and then in the middle, and then to the other side. And check it out and see if it needs to be closed down even more. And I think I should do a little bit more. It really doesn't take a whole lot of effort to do it. It's not too hard on the hands. And there, I have installed my key fob. So it's fairly secure. You can see that I'm pulling it. It's not budging. And then you just put the key ring on. And there we go. Key fob is complete. So we do have different colors of key fob. We've got nickel, we've got gunmetal, and we've got antique, and we've got tons of 1-inch webbing that you can use to make your key fob.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.